Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to make your computer restart faster. The first thing we're going to do is turn off all of the programs that run when your computer starts up. They'll stay running, and then when you go to restart, it has to wait for those to die before it can turn off your computer. Click on Run under the Start menu. Let's type msconfig and press OK. Go to the Startup tab, and you'll see all the programs that run when your computer starts up. These run in the background, so when you go to restart your computer, it first has to stop all of these programs before it can restart. To keep them from running, just uncheck them and select Apply. The programs that we uncheck will no longer run when we start up our computer. Click Close. The next thing that we can do is stop services ourselves if we need to restart. Do that by clicking on Start, right-clicking on my computer, going to Manage. Expand Services and Application, and expand Services. These are the programs that are running in the background that are separate from those that we just disabled. Sort by the Status field, and you can see all of these that are started. If we need to restart immediately, we can make it go quicker by stopping some of these that are running. To stop, all you have to do is right-click on them and say Stop. That service will no longer be running. After you close a few of them, you can restart and it'll restart faster. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to make your computer restart faster.